Hello, and welcome to the wonderful world of GX Bob. Today we are going to get into stuff we rarely think about, but we always pay the consequences when it's way too late. What am I talking about? I'm talking about my two greatest pastimes, taking very long road trips and heading to the mountains. So what do these two have in common? You will eventually hit dead zones where cell phone reception is utterly terrible. Now imagine getting a flat tire in the middle of nowhere and you can't reach out for help because your government-funded Obamacare cell phone plan sucks. That leaves you with two choices. You can either change out the flat tire yourself with a spare tire that hasn't seen air in 3 years, or flag down somebody for help. And with your type of luck, the only help you can get is from a gay motorcycle gang that happens to be coming your way. So believe me when I say being gang raped by a motorcycle gang for the third time in 2 years is not fun. I had to have 12 stitches, 4 of them being right here at my mouth. Okay guys, GX Bob is always here to look for preventive measures to ensure our truck lasts for a very long time and that our virginity is reserved for people we marry. Introducing High Boost, a powerful 5G cell phone booster. Let's go ahead and open this up. Got your user manual. Right here you have the main amplifier unit. It has a plug for the indoor antenna. It has your power supply. And it has your outdoor antenna. There's only going to be 3 connections. You got 3 pieces of Velcro tape. You have double-sided tape. You have your exterior antenna right here, where we're going to place anywhere on the rooftop of your vehicle. And the other end is going to go straight to your amplifier. The great thing about this external camera, it has a very strong magnet. You do not have to permanently affix this to your vehicle at all with the double-sided tape. Here is your power supply to your cigarette lighter. You have the on and off switch so it doesn't stay on all the time if you don't need it. And here is your internal antenna where you can place anywhere in your vehicle. Everybody inside your vehicle could use their laptop, their cell phones, or any other type of device. Basically, the installation is going to be super easy. All we have to do is remove these little protective nipples. For the indoor coax cable right here, we are going to use the indoor antenna. We're going to remove this protective cover. And let's go ahead and twist it in clockwise to the indoor portion of your amplifier. Now let's go ahead and look on the outdoor. We are going to take our outdoor antenna. There, and the rest is your power supply right here that goes into DC in. Let's go ahead and set this up in the car temporarily to see its effectiveness. I already placed my amplifier on my seat. Most likely, I'm going to probably install this either underneath my passenger seat or somewhere underneath my glove compartment. I don't know yet. I just want to do the test first. I went ahead and took the internal camera. I just placed it on top of my dash right here behind my navigation unit. That hasn't been permanently affixed yet, but if I was going to install this, it might be right here, or I might just throw it inside the glove compartment, okay? Let's leave it right there for now. The external antenna, let's go ahead and just throw this outside of the vehicle anywhere temporarily. Now we're going to go ahead and take the power and plug it into our cigarette lighter. plug right here. Make note that it does come with a USB output in case you wanted to charge your phone or anything else, any other device. So it has a USB port right here. The switch I left off because I want to show you the 1 bar that I'm receiving all the way up in the mountains. Okay folks, now that we have everything installed temporarily, I have my amplifier right there, I got my internal antenna right there, and I have my exterior camera running to the outside. And right here is the switch to turn it on. I am going to go ahead and turn on my truck. Let's turn on my cell phone. I currently have 1 bar right there right now, 1 bar. Oops, why does it keep turning off? 1 bar. So let's go ahead and take the camera off the tripod just so I could show you the switch. There is a red button right on top of the switch. You turn it on. Once you turn it on, just take a look right here. We went from 1 bar to 2 bars. So there you guys have it. Pretty cool, huh? It actually works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a permanent installation. Most likely the amplifier is gonna be underneath the passenger seat somewhere. But if I do find a better location that is more accessible, such as underneath the glove compartment, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. At first, I'm going to have to take apart panels and trim pieces to see where it makes sense to install this amplifier. Mind you, the wires here are fairly long, so you can extend this exterior antenna all the way to the back of your roof, all the way back there where your tailgate is. All you have to do is tuck all the cables along the headliners and there you go. Or if you want this to just be a temporary unit and only use when needed, don't install it. Just stuff everything in your glove compartment, and when you really need it, take it out, and just like a police officer, remember back in the days, Hawaii 5-0 or whatever, you stick it on top of your roof, get the bars you needed to make the phone calls you need to, and you're good to go.